In this video, I want to talk about the reasons why I train every day, why I don't miss workouts, why I enjoy training every day. So basically, one of the main reasons why I just enjoy working out every day and why I work out every day is because I care about my future self, right? What do I mean by this? I care about my future self by eating healthy and exercising, and that improves my health overall. I exercise because I do care about my health. If I didn't care about my health, then maybe I wouldn't be exercising that much. So I really do care about my health and the health of my family and also the health of my children one day, right? So I really do want to have healthy children. I want to be healthy myself. So those two things are big ones, I can say. And that's just basically it. So I do care about the health of my children and my own self and the overall health of my own family, okay? If I'm gonna start a family one day, I want my family to be healthy, just the way I am healthy. Second reason is that I want to be more fertile, so that I can have children and I don't need to have erectile dysfunction. I'm not gonna have sex problems. I'm not gonna have these things in place. I want to be healthy and fertile because having a healthy body will help me. I'm not kidding, it's gonna make me more fertile. And healthy bodies, healthy women get pregnant faster. Okay, they get pregnant faster when they are healthy. They exercise, maybe they take care of their body. They're more fertile after that. So exercise should be a part of every person's physical regimen. And I think if I'm gonna find a wife for myself one day, then it's probably gonna have to be some healthy girl, a healthy woman that I'll just take care of, and I'll take care of the children as well. So being healthy makes you more fertile. So that's why I'm eating healthy. That's why I'm taking care of my body. I'm exercising. That's why I work out every day, because I'm taking care of my body and it helps my sperm count also. I'm just being honest, that's just how it is. So that's the second point. The third point is that being fit is just sexy. Yeah, being fit, being physically fit and strong, and having strong muscles, strong bones. I could squeeze someone and it wouldn't stand a chance, right? With these bones that I have, okay, these strong bones and strong muscles in my arms. Some of the dudes that are in my classmates in the classroom, I could squeeze them like nothing because I'm fit, I'm strong. So being fit is sexy. You not only get respect from other men if you are fit, okay? If you're a fit guy, then you're gonna have more respect from other men. I'm just saying, that's just how it is. You're gonna have more respect from other men. And you're also be more sexy. And women will respect you more. That's just how it is. They respect men that are healthy and that take care of themselves and that have muscles, because they're attracted to that. So big point as well. Fourth thing is that it just makes you more masculine. Having muscles, building muscles, and being physically strong are key for your masculine energy and how you can display more masculine energy. So being strong and having muscles and building muscles and training every day, that's basically why I do it, is because I want to look more masculine. I want to look more dominant. I want to look like a man. If I'm gonna walk on this earth, then I'm gonna have some broad shoulders. I'm gonna have some strong arms. I'm gonna have some strong forearms and even chest, also big one, So it will make you more masculine. If you can eat healthy, exercise consistently on a daily basis, you will build more muscle and you will be more masculine and you will look more dominant. So big point here, okay? And the last point why I work out every day and why I exercise every day is because it builds self-discipline, okay? This is a big one. It takes mental toughness to work out every day, to exercise every day, to push yourself every day, even if you don't feel like it. Like, it is difficult. It's not easy. Might be anything, but it's definitely not easy. So, and the reason why I'm able to do it, and the fact that it's not easy, and the fact that it's hard, and I'm suffering when I am doing these push-ups. Well, I'm not suffering much anymore because I just do them like nothing, because I'm just strong. When I'm suffering during these push-ups, and when I'm doing these push-ups, then it builds mental toughness, okay, in the mind. Like, it takes courage to get out on the floor and do the push-ups. I know a lot of men that are taller than me, largely taller than me, and they don't have this much strength that I have. They can't make movements with their bodies like I can with my muscles. They can't. Like, I am fit because I exercise every day. So it builds self-discipline. And when you exercise every day, like, you're gonna see that it's gonna transform your life in every single aspect of your life, basically. So if you are gonna exercise consistently on a daily basis, and you're gonna also eat healthy to that, and you're not gonna do any like bad habits, like, that takes strong willpower and self-control, and it's not easy to do. Like, it's tough to do, and the fact that it's tough just means that it will build self-discipline, because tough things build self-discipline. Always. Working out every day might really change your life in ways that you might have never even considered, in ways that you might have never thought about, or you never thought about these things. It can drastically change your life. I can see that it's changing mine though. So I recommend you to start doing this. Stop drinking the alcohol. Stop doing the bad habits. You know, it's not gonna serve you. You're not gonna grow out of it. You're not gonna grow with it. Do the right things, you know. Help your own family. Work on your own business. Get your income up. Build something. Build an empire. Build a great body, and a fit body, and an attractive body. Once you have those things, catch some woman, you know. Get out there and catch them. There's a lot of women out there, and so you want to catch some. Once you develop yourself, once you are happy with yourself, once you accomplish everything that you always wanted, then just make the moves, you know, and find some woman for yourself, and then settle down. Take care of her, raise children with her. That's it. So this is basically why I work out every day, and why I think every single person should work out every day. Because if we are not working out, and if we are not living healthy lifestyles, and if we are not having these things in check, there is gonna be a lot of problems in this society. Men are not gonna want to sleep with many women. High value men will not want to sleep with women that are not taking care of their health. Because the fact is, I like women who take care of their health, not much otherwise. So if I see a woman that is not taking much care of her health, then I instantly know that no, there is not much wrong with her, but I would rather be in a relationship with a woman that is taking care of her body, that is taking care of her health, and is trying to be healthy as much as possible, than with some woman that is not even considering these things, that is not even thinking about those things. So that's basically why I train every day, and that's basically why I do this, because it builds self-discipline. It helps me with my work life thanks to this discipline, so I'm able to accomplish more than a lot of other people, and that's basically it. You should train every day as well. You should start training as well if you're not training, because men like me are gonna beat you. Those who train every day and they don't care, like, we are gonna beat you. So good luck. I want you to be healthy, do all those things. So you should train, because training will get you further in life. It will make you more healthy, more athletic. It's gonna improve your life overall. So train. Peace, guys.